OnePlus 6 gets selfie portrait mode. Nokia 5.1 Plus renders surfaced. Microsoft Xbox at E3 2018. Today is Monday, June the 11th, and this is 360 Daily. Before we go ahead with the video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and be sure to hit the bell icon so you know when we have a new video. OnePlus 6 is set to get selfie portrait mode soon thanks to a newly released software update the company has revealed. It also brings a battery percentage option in the status bar, bug fixes and more. The Oxygen OS 5.1.6 update will start rolling out in India and other parts of the world in the next 2 to 3 days, OnePlus told Gadgets 360. In other news, a vulnerability has been discovered on the OnePlus 6 that allows attackers to bypass bootloader protection measures and boot a modified firmware image. The new vulnerability requires physical access to the device and could potentially help attackers to gain total control over the phone. OnePlus has since assured the release of a software update to patch the loophole. A Detroit woman complains of her car going up in flames after one of her two Samsung phones caught fire randomly. According to a report, she was driving with the two Samsung phones in a cup holder. Suddenly, she saw a spark coming from one and it soon resulted into a big fire. She managed to go on the side, park the car and get out in time, but her car got covered in flames very quickly. Samsung responded immediately and sent out engineers to examine the burnt car and is in process of finding out which Samsung phone caught fire and why. The woman had two Samsung phones in the car, Samsung Galaxy S4 and Samsung Galaxy S8. Renders highlighting the Nokia 5.1 Plus have surfaced online. As per the leaked CAD renders, the Nokia 5.1 Plus will come with a thin bezel display and include the notch featuring a front camera, earpiece and some sensors. On the back, the renders show a dual rear camera setup along with an LED flash and a fingerprint sensor. Further, there is apparently a USB Type-C and a loudspeaker grill at the bottom, while the top of the smartphone seems to have a 3.5mm headphone jack and a secondary microphone for noise cancellation. E3 2018 is here and we are already 3 major press conferences deep into it. EA had its first press conference over the weekend where it showcased its forthcoming games including FIFA 19, Battlefield 5, Star Wars Jedi Fallen Order and more. The most recent one at the time of recording this was Bethesda, who showed Fallout 76 in detail along with a new Doom game called Doom Eternal, Rage 2 and more. We are covering these events as they happen, so be sure to keep refreshing Gadgets360.com. We did say we are down 3 major press conferences, the third one being Microsoft, who had a barrage of major announcements including new exclusives coming to the Xbox One, a new Halo game and even a tease of a new console in the works. We have curated the 10 biggest announcements from the event for you, so be sure to check that out on Gadgets360.com and our YouTube channel. So that's all on this edition of 360 Daily, and for all things tech, log on to Gadgets360.com.